Hello everyone, 16th February. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. The first page we have trade deals made from a position of strength, says Prime Minister Modi. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have AI Impact Summit begins today. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have Kerala setting newer models for world. Pinarayi at Vision 2031 event. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have ambiguities in the US-India trade deal, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have what are bio-based chemicals and enzymes, again very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have three birds, a biennial and a new book, Ghulam Muhammad Sheikh at 989. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have day after Prime Minister touchdown, Assam government seeks more emergency landing facilities. Again, very important for defense perspective. Then we have India adds more than 50,000 megawatt of power generation capacity. Again, very important for infrastructure and development perspective. Then we have Indo-Pakcom Chief Lands Operations Sindoor calls for deeper India-US defense relations. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have cotton farmers oppose Goyal's US import remarks, warn of price crash. Then we have key bill to be brought in second part of the budget session, says Rijiju. Moving forward, we have AI Impact Summit 2026 begins today. Modi to inaugurate an India AI Expo. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have the Space Kashmiri Pandit celebrates Herald as Muslims recall past bonds. Again, very important. Then we have launch vehicle debris with ISRO logo, national emblem found on Maldives Island. Again, very important for defense perspective. Then we have demystifying home loan insurance for borrowers. Again, very important for economic perspective. Lastly, we have the world page where we have opposition set to test BNP's dominance. Then we have Tariq reaches out to jail NCP leaders before swearing in. Then we have Israeli airstrikes killed 12 in Gaza. Hamas violated truce, says Israel. Then we have Russia's Taman port damage and strikes. Then we have Board of Peace States have pledged $5 billion for Gaza humanitarian relief, announces Trump. All these news are very important for the international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.